In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about basic instructions in C. Hello everyone, this is Ajay and welcome to Skills Grow. Topics that we are going to discuss in this video are basic instructions in C, type declaration instructions, arithmetic instructions, and control instructions. C instructions. Generally, there are three types of instructions in C. They are type declaration instructions, arithmetic instructions, and control instructions. Type declaration instructions are used to declare type of variables in C program. Arithmetic instructions are used to perform arithmetic operations between constants and variables. Control instructions are used to control the sequence of execution of statements. Type declaration instructions. These instructions are used to declare type of variables being used in the program. Any variable must be declared before it is used. These instructions are usually written at the beginning of main function. Example: integer a, float si, etc. Here are some points to remember while using type declaration instructions. While declaration of variables, we can also initialize them. For example, integer I equal to 5. Here, the variable I is initialized to a value of 5. The order in which we define variables is sometimes important, sometimes not. For example, int b equal to 4, a equal to b plus 9 is alright, but int a equal to b plus 9, b equal to 4 is incorrect because we are trying to use b before defining it. Similarly, the statement int a equals to b equals to c equals to 10 is illegal. Arithmetic instructions. These instructions are used to perform arithmetic operations. In these instructions, on the left hand side of equal to symbol, we have a variable name. And on the right hand side of it, we have constants and variables. Variables and constants on right hand side of equal to are connected by arithmetic operators like addition, multiplication, division, etc. Here, integer variable print and NOI and float variable rate are multiplied by multiplication operator. Then they are divided by 100 using division operator. And the result is assigned to SI using assignment operator. Variables on which operations are performed are called operands, and they are operated by operators. Types of arithmetic instructions. Based on the operands used in the instructions, arithmetic instructions are divided as three types: integer mode arithmetic statement, real mode arithmetic statement, mixed mode arithmetic statement. Integer mode arithmetic statement. In these statements, all operands are either integer variables or integer constants. In the given example, all the variables a, b and sum are integers. Real mode arithmetic statements. In this arithmetic statement, all operands are either real constants or real variables. In the given example, the variables area and radius are floating point variables. Mixed mode arithmetic statements. In these statements, some operands are integers and some are real. In the given example, print NOI are integers, whereas rate and SI are floating point variables. Here are some points to remember while using arithmetic statements. In arithmetic statements, we can use only one variable on left hand side of equal to symbol. For example, m into n equal to L is a wrong statement since there are two variables on the left hand side of equal to symbol. Arithmetic operations can be done on integers, floats, and even in characters. The arithmetic operations on characters can be performed because each character has its ASC2 value. In C, we must explicitly write operator in arithmetic statements. In the given example, we must explicitly give multiplication operator to get the result. Unfortunately, there is no operator for exponentiation in C. Therefore, the given statements are invalid. Control instructions. These instructions enables us to specify the order in which various instructions are to be executed. These instructions determine the flow of control in a program. There are four types of control instructions: sequence control instruction, selection or decision control instruction, repetition or loop control instructions, case control instruction. Thank you for watching the video and log on to skillsgrow.com for more such courses.